So, I'm currently following this person that I just met to his house, and I know that it seems like certain things are going to happen. I'll be honest with you. It's been a long time since I've done anything of that nature. But I'm not interested in that sort of thing. Like, as much as I might want that sometimes, it's like, just the idea of that is so scary to me. But I feel like this person is going to be sorely disappointed when he realizes that I'm not interested in that. Well, we'll just see what happens here. Yeah, I mean, we have gotten into a very elaborate conversation about all sorts of things. But he's a hardcore Christian, though. So that has a lot to do with why I'm interested. But we'll see. Hey, here's the thing. The real testament to how strong he is in his faith is his opinion on sexual activity. So, time to make him prove himself. Right. Why is it not playing Miles Davis? This guy is so sweet, though. He's so freaking sweet. You just like these Southern boys. I do. I really do like Southern boys. That sounds wrong. He's a man. I promise he's a man. He's like in his 30s. But it's good to find people that are God people that have the same sort of belief system that you do, especially right now when you feel so outnumbered, like I keep talking about. Well, let's just find out what happens tonight. Hopefully nothing terrible. Yeah. I do find it interesting, though, that of all the people. Oh, hey, look! We always pass that, don't we? Here's another view of Nashville for you. Up close and personal, baby. Holy shit! Yeah, but it's interesting that of all the people you end up talking to, it was like the drunk dude who insisted on being in your videos with you. And you end up talking to him about fucking Freemasonry and modern medicine. Isn't that hilarious? Life is so interesting, is it not? Oh, and guess what? Apparently he's adopted. Isn't that cool? What are the odds?